Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. This mask has been all over skincare discussions, promising hydration, plumpness, and a real collagen boost for tired skin. We tested it multiple times to see whether it truly delivers or if it's just clever marketing. The Biodance mask is infused with hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, aiming to improve skin elasticity and moisture. What stood out to us was the texture of the sheet itself. It clings tightly to the face without slipping, allowing the serum to really absorb. After using it, our skin felt noticeably hydrated and had a fresh glow that lasted into the next day. With regular use, fine lines around the eyes and forehead looked smoother, and dull skin appeared more radiant. The pros are that it hydrates deeply, delivers a plumbing effect, and feels a luxury spa treatment at home. It also feels well without sliding off. The cons are the price point, which is higher compared to standard sheet mask, and the fact that results are temporary unless you continue regular use. It also may not dramatically change skin texture if you already have a solid skincare routine. Overall, the Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask is legit. If you're looking for an instant glow and hydration boost, this mask is one of the better ones out there. It's worth the investment for special occasions or consistent pampering. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.